Original Koi Herbal Capsule.
Ako dahil si Niesa Flores, taga Alaska, Mambaling, Cebu City. 51 kaniyas.
Wala pa kanino magkuha yung herbal capsule, ma'am. Kasi may gipamatin.
Daghan, high blood, sisakit akong lipong-lipong ko.
Karon ka na kayo magkuha, ma'am. Kasi may masama natin gipamatin na rin.
Dili na kayo kapoy akong lawas. Wala nga, kinalan dyan ko mo inom og koy para nga ma-live ako ang pamati sa akong lawas. Daghang salamat sa original Koi Herbal Capsule.
The Original Koi Herbal Capsule.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
This time check is brought to you by PH Care. That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
This time check is brought to you by Salon Pass with direct ingredient penetration to relieve shoulder, neck, and back pain.
This time check is brought to you by Ambroxol Hydrochloride Myracoff. Ukalang bagtok nga plema, afford pa.
Magkauban na usab ang tropa. RH Super na sa lamesa. Padak-padak na aron pagdayon ng kalipay. RH Super na ang shot sa tropa. Drink responsibly. Gawing masaya palalo ang inuman. I-like at follow nyo na ang Red Horse Super sa Facebook. Drink responsibly.
Mga ka-senior, Bossing Vic Soto po. Umaaray na ba sa presyo ng senior milk? Ang Birch Tree Advance
Same nutrition, half the price.
versus leading senior milk brand. Sabi ng nutritionist ko.
May triple advanced power, tulong pampalakas ng muscle at bone, immunity, brain at heart. With a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, mag-Birch Tree Advanced na.
Same nutrition, half the price.
Versus leading senior milk brand. Birch Tree Advance. Same nutrition, half the price. Versus leading senior milk brand. Get triple advanced power with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle.
Kung moingon si mama nga,
Sige kagaw, imnanani mong tambal. Nay, ang maintenance ayaw kalimti ha. Han, nakalimta na pud nimo imong vitamins.
ang iyang buot ipasabot.
Gihigog mata mo, mao nga gusto nako, baskog ang tibuok pamilya.
Sa Generica Drugstore, ma-express nimo ang gugma. Kay na ay triple ginhawa. Tambal nga epektibo sama sa branded. Presyo nga abot kaya ug serbisyong maatimanon. Ginhawa. Say it with Generica Drugstore.
If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.